Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we're going to be talking about the Islander PBT Keycap set sent out to me by the Key Company. Huge shout out to them actually for sending this out, because I missed it the first time. I would have ordered it, but I was like, I don't know. And then you look at it for months and months at a time after the group buy has closed, and you're like, man, I probably should have copped that. That was a pretty fire colorway. They sent it out to me. I was like, cool, if you guys got extras, heck yeah, I'll take one. And I put it on this Monster Gear Ninja 71, but I'm actually going to be replacing this Ninja 71 with their Portico keyboard coming out later on this month. It's coming out in a few days. November 11th, if you want to go ahead and join that group buy. Definitely going to order that one. It's hot swap, comes in green, so it's going to match this perfectly. It just looks sweet. 65% layout, a few less keys here. I don't really use all these keys, that's why I thought I might as well just swap it out and get something a little bit cleaner, a little bit more simple. And it's polycarbonate instead of acrylic, so looks sick. I'm definitely going to buy one myself. But yeah, this Islander keycap set, I mean, you know, it's got like this off-white color, it's got brown legends. I did get the add-on kit as well with like these couple extra really cool looking accent keys. I just think that altogether it just looks really cool in terms of the aesthetic. Like, it's just something different. Off-white, this light mint green, and then this sky blue with the brown legends looks so good together. And then obviously, you know, to top it all off, we had to get the matching cable. So this one is actually from Kalamity Cables. Huge shout out to him actually for getting this out to me. Same mint green on the inside for the paracord, clean white Tech Flex, and then we've got the brown shrink wrap as well. And then I sent him a picture of this. I was like, yo, I need a cable that's gonna match this Islander set. And he sent me a picture of this aviator like immediately, and it was already painted this color. I'm like, dude. So huge shout out to Calamity for absolutely killing this aviator. Like, this looks so clean. And then, you know, of course, on the Monster Gear Ninja 71, you plug it in. I got the blue lights on the sides, so just match the whole build 110%. On this green Matrix Keyboards mouse mat, everything is just looking really, really good. Super happy with the way that this whole colorway came out. I'm gonna get into the box too so you guys can see the packaging, because Infinikey's packaging is fire, absolutely fire. On top of the keycaps and the cable, we did secure ourselves some Tangerine switches. I don't know, these light stems might still be in stock. I know the green stems went fast, but these light stems, these are a 62 gram spring, pre-lubed in the factory as well, and I feel like these are more generously lubed than the banana splits were. And they're actually a little bit yeah, they are kind of quieter than banana splits too. These are a little bit more thocky, where the banana splits are more clacky, I should say. Obviously, I'm gonna have a sound test for you guys at the end of the video, of course, but I recorded an unboxing originally, but, well, I don't want to talk about it. Something happened to the file. I've been having a lot of technical difficulties. Like, I was gonna originally film the unboxing, and then I was gonna stream, like, building the board, but that didn't actually work out. So we ordered an Elgato HD60 Pro on eBay for a lot less than it typically costs, so we should be able to stream a little bit more consistently now with that purchase. But before we go ahead and get into the sound test of this keyboard, let's go and take a look at the packaging. And this is the box. Just take a look at this, looking super clean. Keyco and Infinikey PBT Islander ABEC 13 Infinikey. So maybe ABEC 13 is the person that designed it. I'm pretty sure that's probably the case, and Infinikey is just the manufacturer. So just so you guys know, these keycaps are in fact die sub PBT keycaps. They aren't double shot, but the legends printed extremely cleanly, so I don't think we'll have any problems with longevity as well. And the color palettes just came out super good. But I mean, yeah, this packaging is absolutely elite. Like, just the layering, all of it just looks so good. You know, this, you got a full-size keyboard, you got everything included in the base kit, just some other stuff. I mean, you know, control, super alt function is superb. Like, they did a really good job with the packaging, really good job with the renders and the photos to make me want to buy it, even though I passed the first time. But, you know, the second time, I mean, if they would have had extras of these, I for sure would have bought them. Like, 110%. Like, this keycap set just looks too good. Now, speaking of a keycap set that they did have extras of, I mean, I got the Hive extras that went live with the add-on keys as well. So these are just some of the novelties that come with it. So you got a couple different space bars with a little bit of a Hive logo on there, if you guys can see it. I gotta figure out some lighting settings. I got a couple new cameras, if you guys can tell, but I don't know. The A7C is not the best low light camera. These yellow accent keys just look so good. Some of these are die sub, but the main keys are in fact double shot PBT as well. But again, Infinikey with the elite packaging. Like, look at this. This just looks so clean together. Like, just the double shot legends, the keys, just everything looks fantastic. Take a look at this on the inside. Okay, looking super good. I was actually gonna buy the black on white keys for the center just to add some contrast, but I was like, maybe not, I'll pass this time. And then 2 minutes later, I'm like, well, I probably should add it to the order and get the black on whites, but they were sold out, so that kind of sucks. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and drop a sound test of these Tangerine switches. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new as well. Huge shout out again to the Key Company for sending out the Islander set, and then the Hive set I did by myself, so I'll probably use this in a future build. But let me know what you guys think of these Tangerine switches in the description, not in the description, but in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.